Bros and hams, hands, bros, bro hams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bedwars. Now you may be wondering why I'm starting the video out in this area, not like while I'm bridging. Well, it's because in today's video, I'm going to be doing the fastest, start to doing Bedwars. And I think that this is the best method ever, because it's just so great. Like, if you saw, I already built 16 blocks out, and now from here, I can, do my fast base, and, look how fast this is, bro. It's like speed. Alright, mess it up. But you guys get the point. Okay, this method is just so fast. Like, this guy, he started bridging before me, and I'm already to mid before him. So it's like, what can you do? What can you do? And this guy, bro, kill him, bro, kill him. Bro, it's actually so good, people don't hit me except that one time, which was stupid because he lagged or something. Actually, I clutched him in the legend. As you can see, I'm very good at this game, and I'm very energized. And Pink actually quit the game. You know, if you use this method, your opponent will quit the game. And look at them. I killed the person before the timer even got to 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes, I mean. So you know, this is just the greatest strategy ever. Okay, jokes aside, it actually is really good strategy. So basically what it does is it makes you go over there super fast, and it also puts a good bed defense on your bed. I just think this strategy is amazing. Okay, I've been using it for a little bit now, and every time it just seems to win. I didn't mean to get that, I meant to get my protection. But it's okay. Bro, it's really so fast. Yellow and Aqua haven't even gone over to each other yet. I completely wiped out my neighbor. I'm the first person to wipe out a neighbor's bed and kill their neighbor. So it's I'm just great at this game. So my other favorite thing has to do with pearls. Now I don't know if I'll be able to do it now, but I'll show you at the end of the game because it is really snazzy. Alright, I don't know what yellow's doing, but hopefully I can just he got me. Where did he go, dude? Get this guy out of here. And got your bed. Eat this apple. And I should be able to get this guy. Okay. Yes, just die. You have more stuff than I do. Way more stuff. But hopefully with the power of will, I can get him. And I got him. Wait, that guy actually had less stuff than I did. I thought I had a leather armor, not iron armor. Because I'm very smart. So I just need to kill red. And then green's the last guy. And I can show you what I'm trying to do. Because it's just the greatest idea I've ever had in my life. I've already done the thing a couple times. Oh, red's dead. I don't even need to kill them. Green's doing it for me. Green's just amazing. Okay, now this next idea is 200 IQ. If you thought the starting of whatever of that and that was the 200 IQ, you haven't even seen the start of it. This is just so great. So to actually get this, I actually need to get this guy at his base first, because that's just what I do. This guy has decent stuff, but I have a lot of diamond armor, so I don't think he can get me. Okay, yes. So now what I do is I throw one into this guy, and I go over here, and I go over here, whatever. And then I go juke him out, dude. Juke him out. What does he do, dude? Oh my gosh, dude, it's actually the best strategy ever. And look at that. Look, I won the game. Bro, 200 IQ. Alright guys, I have been doing this strategy for a million. I've been doing it for 2 days. Okay, and it's the best strategy I've ever had in my life. It's just go great. I'll do it again. You guys won't believe I'll do it again. I'll do it again, dude. I'll do it again. Okay, it actually doesn't work on this map. It doesn't work on some maps because they're fast iron maps. I'm pretty sure Steampunk is a fast iron map. And this is just a big map. It doesn't work on that one either. It works on the majority of the maps. I just can't get the maps that it works on right now. This map, it doesn't work on this map. It works on this one. Okay, so see, this idea is just great. I'll throw my gold out in case I fall off the bridge, but I don't think I will. So you just gotta go super fast. Gray's not in the game. Well, let me just show you how fast you can get over there. So see, you go like that. It's just the greatest idea ever. Look, even though I built straight 16 blocks, there's still time for me to wait. So why just spend waiting? Why not be productive? You know, dude, it is speed, bro. Speed. I'm at his base, and that's 5 minutes and 10 seconds on the timer. Okay, it's speedy, and look, I already have a good bed defense. So even if I don't get his bed now and he goes for me, I'll probably still win, because It's just better. The first time I did it, a teammate left. The second time I did it, the teammate didn't even show up. So like, this is just, it's just great. Like, it's so good. The game just knows, like, dude, your strategy is too good. You shouldn't have this much power. And what it does is it just like gives you free finals. I know that rushing method, I've been doing one similar to it, but you just put a wool bed defense on your bed, and I've seen people call that the Gator bed defense, but I kind of take offense to that. Like, Gator didn't create this. I don't even know if I created it, but Gator definitely didn't, because I knew about it way before he even was a thing. Okay, this guy is annoying. What you gonna do about it, huh? Oh my gosh, this guy's freaking drag clicking on me, and he jumped in the void. Knockback stick just kind of whacked him out of there. Alright, that guy's out of there, and I get the bed. Okay, usually this method is good for like good people, because good people tend to like be at their base a lot and defend. But these people I've been playing are just not good. Green is pretty good. It worked pretty well against green. I'll show a clip of when it worked really well. But this yellow guy, it won't work against him. Just nothing gets past this guy. He's too smart for my plays. So first things first, throw it up. What's this guy gonna do, huh? No, don't hit me off. Don't hit me off. Oh, prank you, dude. Prank you. Throw another one up. Why not? Oh my gosh, dude. These people are getting outplayed, dude. And look at that. I got the bed. And I won. I'm just too good for this game. This guy said, bro. I said 200 IQ. Subscribe. Okay, guys. After recording this video, I realized there was a third play I left out. A third 200 IQ masterpiece play. So, I'll show that right now. Basically, the concept of it is you break someone's bed and then place a TNT inside their bed defense. They run out, get blasted off into the void, and then you take the dub. And it's just pretty great. So, yeah, that's the third one. Alright, guys, and that just shows how good this everything is. Okay, like it's just too good for this game, bro. It's just too good for this game. Alright, guys, catch you on the flip side. Goodbye.